This is Disheng's 100 watts charger, which model is DSW36100, and here is the specifications information. The charging power will be automatically distributed when you use different ports. You can pause to take a look after tearing down. These are all components of the 100 watts charger. Now, the main materials will be separately shown to you. Firstly, the time delay fuse is from Chengrun Electronics. 3.15A 250 volts remains intact when non-fault pulse current occurs in the circuit and provides protection against long-term overload. The voltage resistance is from Weiqing Electronics. It has better protection effect in case of lightning strike. And the safety YCapacitor is from WQC. We can directly see its specifications and certifications on the surface. Here is the toroidal inductor, which be used for anti-interference. Moreover, this is the inductor, which is also beneficial for anti-interference. There's two solid capacitors, which are used to stabilize the output voltage. These two transformers are used to regulate output voltage. The master controller is from NXP. It is a high-performance AC/DC, primary side digital flyback controller with advanced zero voltage, switching ZVS and adaptive multi-mode control MMC. That can be used with secondary side regulation SSR for applications requiring high power density and high-resolution output voltage current settings. The GaN field effect transistor is from Innoscience. It is JEDEC compliant and supports ESD protection. There are two other GaN field effect transistors which are also from Innoscience, but the parameter is INN650DA260. The safety YCapacitor is from Teruixiang, which parameter is Y1222, and then the Optocoupler is from Telunde. It is located above the planar transformer and plays the role of regulating the output voltage. This Synchronous Rectifier is from NXP. The protocol IC is from ISW. It is used to adapt to the charging voltage and current required by charging equipment. Well, that's all for this Disheng 100W charger. It's equipped with two USB-C ports and USB-A ports, so you can charge your phone, tablet and laptop at the same time. Since it's pretty small and can support up to 100W, it takes many measures to control the temperature, and most components are from some famous brands like Innoscience, Telunde, NXP, ISW, etc.